The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor, self sacrifice, and dauntless courage in the presence of the enemy during wartime. To date, it has been awarded to only 21 soldiers. But do you know who among these is the only Indian Air Force officer to be awarded the Paramveer Chakra? The only member of the Indian Air Force to be awarded India's highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra, is Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. He was awarded the honor posthumously for his extraordinary bravery during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was commissioned into the Indian Air Force on June 4, 1967 as a pilot officer. After completing his training, he was later posted to Number 18 Squadron, also known as the Flying Bullets, in October 1968. He was a member of the 97th Pilots Course, where he trained as a fighter pilot. At the time of 1971 war, he held the rank of flying officer. His commissioning date marks the beginning of a brief but legendary career that culminated in him becoming the first and only member of the Indian Air Force to receive the Paramveer Chakra. On December 14, 1971, the Srinagar airfield was attacked by 6 Pakistani Sabre jets. Despite being under heavy fire and the runway being bombed, Flying Officer Sekhon managed to take off in his Foland Nat fighter. He engaged the enemy single handedly. Despite being outnumbered 6 to 1, he successfully hit 2 of the Sabre jets and forced the remaining attackers to retreat, successfully protecting the airbase. During the fierce dogfight, his aircraft was hit. He attempted to eject but was too low for the parachute to deploy, and he sacrificed his life in the line of duty. To this day, he remains the sole Indian Air Force recipient among the 21 total awardees of the Paramveer Chakra, as the other 20 recipients are from the Indian Army.